shoot! Pati ako lumaban ang inikutan sa bundakan! Lumabas, bumawi! Bumawi! Bumawi si Padre! Bumawi si Padre! Bumalik po! Gusto niyang magpatuloy ang laban ni Kasumi! Pero si Kasumi matibay! Matibay para si Kasumi!
Grabe, undefeated! Undefeated Kasumi, wow!
Grabe!
Patrick, sadly, you didn't make it. Pero, dito tayo ulit. Halera kayong tatlo dito. Dito.
Dito tayo sa harapan.
And everyone, palakpakan natin ang mga newbie players!
Let's give it up for Manuel, Christopher, and Patrick! Thank you so much sa ating mga newbie
Thank you.
Beybladers! Grabe! Grabe si Kasumi!
Wow, Kenkon. I think bitin pa si Yen. Bitin pa eh!
Bitin pa si Yen. Alam mo Yen kung bakit naluluspit ka? Kasi hindi mo ginagawa yung exhibition ano mo.
Later daw, later.
May exhibition ka nun, Che.
Talking about exhibition, and I know you guys, bitin kayo eh, no? You want more? Gusto niyo pa ba?
Gusto niyo ba?
Yeah, for sure. Ano pa bang in store dito sa ating special stage?
Dahil ang next natin, meron tayong mga Beybladers. Experienced Beybladers.
Wow, kung kanina, newbies and beginners like us,
Yes.
now we have experienced bladers. Sino-sino sila?
Natawag mo na ata yung isa kanina?
Ay, sorry po. Experienced pala siya. Mukha kasi siyang newbie eh. Matawang-tawa ka. O, sige.
Alright, let's give it up for our experienced Beyblader! Hello, what's up? What's up? What's your name? Earl. How about you, sir? Forward here.
Okay, framing lang, framing.
What's your name, sir? Amor. We have
Ito kayo
Earl
sa
and
akin.
Amor.
Guys, framing lang. Move forward tayo.
Move forward tayo, move
Don't be
forward.
shy.
Okay, and on your side, Nikki, we have...
Yes, we have my BFF. Sorry I thought kasi you're newbie.
Yeah.
Mr. Week, what can you say about Beyblade? Mr. Week.
Did you use your Beyblade to find your dog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Mr. Week here. We have
Bird Magus.
Bernard Magus. Do tell us more about yourself and your favorite Beyblade.
Okay, favorite Beyblade is Wizard Rod because it's a wizard and I'm into magic. And I'm here with my teammates Amor and Earl.
Alright, since at TR,
Ooh.
we have Magic the Gathering.
Okay, so I want-
Since they are the experienced Beybladers, do you mind if you could show your
Isa-isa.
face?
Diyan muna sa'yo.
Dito para sa akin. Alam mo, napansin ko ni Nikki na meron silang facial hair, ano? Sa
Lahat.
kanila dito baba.
Oh, so
sa kanila
is
buhok,
that a
full body.
requirement? Do I have to get that?
Nasa kanya lahat ng mga base.
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's start with Earl's Bay. Ay,
Wow,
di na-
akala ko makeup kit ko siya, Kenkoy. Akala ko makeup kit.
Oo nga eh, parang makeup kit eh. Ooh,
Wow, so,
grabe.
wow, this is the toys for the big boys.
Investment pala talaga to, no?
Yeah,
Collection.
I believe
Mga
it costs a
base.
lot. Joke. Okay, so we're seeing here them assemble their base. And in a bit, we're gonna have them flex their favorite base.